Another Jamaican deported by the United States. This time, it's Leroy Neville White. I'm going to tell you what he did to be removed from the U.S.
Watch me, this is Wayne One, and also I represent for Deeproots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaica. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV. If you want to hear the truth, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. Give me a follow on TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you flip-flop. Another Jamaican has been deported by the United States. As the U.S. Immigration and Customs Service, ladies and gentlemen, had deported Leroy Neville White, a Jamaican fugitive wanted for shooting with intent in Jamaica. From the United States, White is 30 and was handed over to the United States authority after being arrested by ICE. White has been convicted in Connecticut for threatening and for first-degree hazard to terrorize. Leroy Neville White attempted to flee justice in his home country and take refuge in the United States. He was then continued to break the law in connection with the state. Patricia H. Hyde, acting field officer director of ICE, said to the newspaper, ladies and gentlemen, as enforcement and removal operation in Boston. She added that White is a violent criminal and presents a significant threat to the residents of our neighbors. ICE will not tolerate such threat. Jamaican authorities has issued an award warning for White in December 2018 for shooting with intent. The United States Border Patrol apprehended him in July 11, 2022 near San Ysidro, California, after he illegally entered the country, following his arrest by New Haven Police Department in 2023 for threatening first degree with hazard or terrorized. ICE lodged an immigration detainer against him in New Haven Correction Center. The state of Connecticut supervisor court convicted White in April 2024, sentencing him to 5-year incarceration, suspended after 1 year, 3 years probation. On December 26, 2024, upon completing his state sentence at Hartford Correction Center, ICE officers offered him to sign out, and then they arrested White again and put him in custody. ICE enforcement encouraged the public to report any kind of suspicious activities or to call the hotline using their tips numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, it's another Jamaican that has fled Jamaica, that has committed crimes in Jamaica and flee to America. And now Leroy Neville White is now in the custody of ICE and will be sent back to Jamaica to face his charges of shooting with intent. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV, reporting live from the studio. A Jamaican man wanted in Jamaica has been arrested and deported back to Jamaica by the Immigration and Custom Enforcement agents in the United States. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen, if you agree with the U.S. arresting these perpetrators and deporting them. And if you don't, tell me why you don't. A more life, a more joy. Yeah, of course, a more happiness. Stay blessed.
Ali, I know, I am bring me in a driver, you know.
Up all the while, big up Deeproots TV straight, you know, say Ali Abdallah. Everyone don't know already, big teacher from Herbert Marcy, William Nip, straight. Big up Deeproots TV, all the way, straight. Rastafari, no. Rastafari Soldier.
Big, give thanks. One love, my brother. Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Fire,